guys, and welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. Today I wanted to show you how to do a quick, pretty, everyday look. We don't always have time in the morning, and you still want to look finished and you still want to look pretty when you walk out the door. I feel like my hands are my best tools for my makeup sometimes. You have great control, you can blend. I find when I'm in a hurry, they do a wonderful job, and I'm always happy with the finished looks. I know there's people out there that don't like to use their hands. I know that they think that it's gross and it's germy, but just wash your hands. Make sure your hands are washed well before you start and you're putting your hands to your face. Most of us do our makeup in our bathrooms, so you have your sink there, your soap, your washcloths. Just give your hands a good wash and you're ready to go. I have a timer here that I am going to set for 6 minutes. And I know 6 minutes seems like an odd number, but I will explain why. I know most people do a 5-minute makeup phase. I'm gonna do 6 because I wanna make sure that I have time to do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on them, but as we get older, it's really important to do our brows, especially if they're sparse. Mine are sparse, they're turning white. I just feel that eyebrows give us a more youthful look. We're not trying to look like we're in our 20s again. I'm 47, but I certainly don't want to look older than 47. So I want to spend the time to do my brows. I just want to fill them in a tiny bit and just give them a little color. I'm pretty excited to actually time this. This is what I do most days, and I've never timed it before, so it's going to be interesting to see how long it actually takes me. So I'm just going to jump right in. I am going to tell you that all of the items are going to be listed down below, as well as the colors, and I'm going to put them right here on the screen for you as I'm using them. So I'm going to start my timer, and we are going to see what we can do. I am using a Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. Now, I do not use a primer. When you're using a tinted moisturizer, you don't want to use a primer. I mean, you certainly can, but a lot of tinted moisturizers have skin-loving benefits in them, and if you're creating a barrier between the moisturizer and your skin, it's obviously not going to moisturize and you're not going to get any of those skin-loving benefits. I'm going to use a tiny bit of concealer. I'm going to just use a little bit here and there. I don't use a lot of concealer, especially not on an everyday basis. I can go ahead and put this under my eyes and over my eyelids. Okay. And I'm not concerned with covering up every blemish on my face. I certainly don't do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go right into my eyes. I'm using eyeshadow sticks. I'm just gonna put this right across my lid. I'm gonna go again above my crease, because I want to bring my eye upward. I don't want it to look droopy. These blend amazingly well, and they're very quick. I'm going to use a lighter shade. This is a rose gold. Again, I will have everything listed down below. There you go. I'm going to use a lighter color in my inner corner, just to lighten that up a little bit. Okay, and you can blend all of this super fast with your fingers. I'm going to use a liner. I'm going to use this very quickly right on my lash line, my upper waterline. I just got a little bit on my face. Right there, I will get that off. Okay, a little bit of liner. There you go. I will get this off with a little cloth. There we go. I'm going to use a blush. I'm using the Honest Beauty. This is a berry blush. I feel like blush makes such a difference. And cream products are so easy to blend. And if you need to wipe your hands in between, just keep a washcloth with you or a moist towelette or something like that. Okay, there's my blush. Now I'm gonna do my brows as quick as I can just to fill in the blank spots that I have. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not trying to look perfect. Just pencil them in. There you go. And you can see I am making a little bit of a mess on my face. I'm not too concerned about that. Wipe that off. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips really quick. I'm gonna use a lip stain just to add some color. I think that looks pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. Sorry, I have a hard time talking when I'm doing my mascara. And as you can see, I'm not the neatest person with my makeup, and that's okay. I have about 20 seconds left. So I'm actually going to bust out a brush with some powder and just powder my T-zone. And I think this is it. I think it looks really nice for every day just to run out. You can always add a gloss on top. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I think this is a really pretty natural look for every day. I have just enough color on my eyes. And the whole point of this video is just to show you that you can do a full face relatively quickly, 6 minutes, even less. If you don't want to do your brows and you want to spend more time on your eyes, go right ahead. If you want to cover more of the imperfections that you have on your face, instead of doing your eyes, you can do that. But that is the fun of makeup. We can do whatever we want, however we want. It still looks nice, pretty, and you're finished when you walk out the door. All right, guys, so that's today's video. I hope you like the finished look. I'm happy with it. I think it's natural. It's pretty for every day. I would 100% feel comfortable walking out the door looking like this. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to help support my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey.